Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to get more life if you are running out of life in Candy Crush Soda. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Candy Crush Soda. You are already in Candy Crush Soda. Now you want to play more and your life and there's no more life. Then what you can always do is ask your friend for help or life. You can do it by going to life. Over here you can see your life heart shape icon with 4. I have 4 life, but I need more, so tap on the plus icon over here. Here you can see you can even buy life. You can buy life for 2 hours continuously. You can play. Here is another combo offer, that is 2 hours life plus 2 hours of candy bomb. And here you can see the option of get help. Tap on it, and here you can see the option of ask friend. You can also ask your team. Tap on ask friend. Here you can see you can select any friend you want to send. Then tap on select all, then tap on send. You can also do another step is tap on team. Here you can see the option of chat. Here you can see the option of life. Tap on it, and then you can ask your friend for life. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.